Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, I'm back with a very healthy recipe in which I'm preparing Oats Chilla. It is one of my favorite breakfast option because it keeps you full for a longer time, as well as it's really very healthy since it's not fried. It's one of the bestest breakfast option that you can have in your everyday life. For that, I have taken oats. I have ground them in a grinder. This is half cup of oats that I'm putting in the mixing bowl. Also, I'll be using buttermilk, that is I have mixed curd with milk, and now I'm dropping in 1 tablespoon of orange carrot, onions, bell pepper and capsicum. Green capsicum also I've added. Veggies give you a very nice crunch in this chilla. Now adding in a pinch of turmeric and little bit of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon you can put, or just a pinch, and salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, it is really good for your health. Now mixing everything well, and we'll put little by little buttermilk so that the consistency of the chilla doesn't get bad or very loose. So as you can see, I'm putting very little by little buttermilk. You can also add water if you don't have curd at your home. Mixing everything really well. Again adding little bit of buttermilk and mix this batter for at least 5 minutes so that there are no lumps. So the batter is ready. Now let's heat the tawa, brushing it with little bit of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use any cooking oil that you like. Pouring in little amount of batter to make a chilla, and I have put it on high flame and I'll cover it with a lid till its one side is done. It will take you about 4 to 5 minutes, and you can lower down the flame to low to medium. Now turning its side, and we'll cook it from the other side as well. Cook it on low to medium flame, otherwise your chilla will get burnt. Now cooking it on the other side, turning it again, and your chilla is ready, soft and crispy at the same time. So I really hope that you liked this recipe. If you did, do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. It means a lot to me, guys. See you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.